Welcome to the Compost channel, where we explore the amazing hidden secrets beneath the soil. Today, we're going to learn about molasses, a golden key that helps awaken life. Many gardeners make a serious mistake by overusing chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers can provide instant nutrients that help plants grow quickly. However, they silently destroy the incredibly rich microbial life beneath the soil surface. When these microorganisms die off, the soil gradually becomes compacted and hardened. Compacted soil prevents plant roots from stretching out to search for fresh water. As a result, plants become weaker and completely dependent on harmful chemicals. To truly solve this problem, we need a completely natural and safe solution. That's where unsulphured molasses shows its incredible power. Interestingly, plant roots do not directly absorb this sweet liquid. Instead, molasses acts as an excellent food source for microorganisms. These dormant microbes in the soil immediately wake up when they receive this energy source. They begin to multiply and grow rapidly beneath the ground. This explosive growth of microbial life creates a powerful chain reaction. Their active processes release special chemical signals into the soil. These natural signals act as an irresistible invitation for earthworms. Earthworms from all around quickly gather in this revitalized soil. They move constantly, digging and creating thousands of tiny tunnels underground. Thanks to these tunnels, the soil becomes looser and much more aerated. Air and clean water can now easily penetrate deeper into lower soil layers. This creates an ideal environment for plant roots to grow freely. Healthy roots help the entire plant stand strong against harsh weather conditions. Even better, earthworm castings are a priceless organic fertilizer for plants. This amazing closed-loop system improves soil structure in a sustainable and long-lasting way. Now, let's learn how to make this powerful solution. You only need to prepare 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure unsulphured molasses. Mix this amount of molasses into about 1 gallon of clean water at room temperature. Stir well until the molasses completely dissolves into the water. You can use this mixture to water your garden once a month. The ideal frequency is every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your soil condition. Maintaining this habit ensures a stable food supply for soil microbes. After a short time, you'll notice clear changes in your garden beds. Plants will look more vibrant, with greener leaves and better resistance to pests. Molasses also has many other great uses beyond direct watering. One of them is a well-known natural farming method called JADAM. JADAM focuses on cultivating and multiplying strong native microorganisms. Molasses acts as the perfect catalyst to speed up microbial growth. By collecting molds from fallen leaves, you can build a powerful microbial army. This army of microbes will protect your garden from hidden harmful pathogens. In addition, molasses is an essential ingredient in making compost tea. Compost tea is a liquid nutrient solution rich in beneficial living microbes. When molasses is added, beneficial microbes multiply rapidly in the brew. Finished compost tea has a pleasant earthy smell that feels very natural. Spraying it on plant leaves helps effectively prevent fungal diseases. It creates a protective biological layer that blocks harmful bacteria. When it soaks into the soil, compost tea further enriches the underground ecosystem. This is a great way to restore soil degraded by chemical fertilizers. Switching from chemical to organic farming requires some patience. However, the results will be a naturally thriving and sustainable garden. Natural farming is not about controlling everything with chemicals. It is the art of listening to and understanding the true needs of the soil. Molasses may be simple, but it carries a deep message about life. It reminds us that the greatest life begins with the smallest organisms. When we care for these invisible beings, nature will reward us generously. Juicy tomatoes and crisp, sweet vegetables are gifts from the soil. You will taste the natural flavor and rich nutrition in every family meal. Moreover, this practice helps protect groundwater from chemical pollution. Every small action in your garden creates a meaningful positive impact. Start changing your gardening habits today with Molasses. Reviving soil life is how we nurture the future for the next generation. A healthy ecosystem can naturally balance and heal itself. We've just discovered an amazing secret of organic farming together. I hope these insights will help your garden stay lush and thriving. If you found this video helpful, please share it with fellow nature lovers. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming gardening tips. Thank you so much. Goodbye for now, and see you again on the Compost channel.